फिर रही है हवस की बला बेनकाब, ओढ़ ले हर मुसलमान बेटी जा.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. As you sit there looking at me, well, I can tell from your looks that you think I'm so oppressed, but I don't need for you to liberate me. My head is not bare, and you can't see my covered hair. So you sit there and you stare, and you judge me with your glare. You're sure I am in despair, but you are not aware. Under this scarf that I wear, I have feelings, I do care. So don't you see that I'm truly free? This piece of scarf on me I wear so proudly to preserve my dignity, my modesty, my integrity. So don't judge me, open your eyes and see me. Why can't you just accept me? Why can't I just be me? You speak of democracy, yet you rob me of my liberty. All I want is equality. Why can't you just let me be free? From me you've learned so much, how I suffer so much. I walk with no fear through insults that I hear. I wish so sincere that they'd understand me. But before I walk away, this time I turn and say, but don't you see that I'm truly free? This piece of scarf on me I wear so proudly to preserve my dignity, my modesty, my integrity. So let me be me. I'm the one who's free. Assalamu alaikum. Happy International Hijab Day. The journey from bare skin to clothing. Clothing first probably initiated 650,000 years ago, and functionality, protection, cultural benefits, occupational and religious aspects. Archaeologists found out that there were needles of bone and ivory that they used to sew clothes around 30,000 BC. The ancient Jahiliya, it cast its burden on history before the appearance of Islam, and women experienced injustice. Before hijab, women were treated like animals and used as slaves. Hijab provided protection to not flaunt one's beauty.
True.
For people may misuse. We observe hijab because Allah has asked us.
As a literature student, what I have observed so far is that haya and modesty has nothing to do with the west or east or geographical locations or something like that. Even if we see the literature, even till 19th century, if we see the dress code of women, we see that they used to wear long gowns and used to cover their head with their hats and long sleeves and everything. So it means that modesty is there everywhere, within ourselves.
That's so true, because psychologists and sociologists claim that it's like taught behavior. However, it is not. Modesty has been instilled in us human beings. And I would like to, tell you people about Prophet Adam alayhi salam. When the Prophet Adam, when he was living in heaven with his wife, Bibi Hawa, Eve as people call her, Adam and Eve, they were living very happily and they were allowed to do anything that they wanted in heaven and Jannah, and they were, they were having a very nice time there. But Allah had forbidden them not to go close to a particular tree. Some call it apple, some call it grape, but that doesn't matter. What matters is what
It was a tree.
Yes, exactly. It was forbidden.
What we take from it. But they got caught in the trap of Satan. They go to it, they eat from it, and as a punishment, or rather a reaction of the wrongdoing, they find themselves naked. They were bare, without any clothes. And when they realized it, they got so ashamed because they felt haya, they felt that they were being deprived of modesty. So they began covering themselves with the leaves and things like that. But you see that if modesty had been taught, because Allah had made Adam learn the names of various things, and when we're showing to
but
the
you know
angels,
that, like what you said, they were the first human beings.
Right.
They didn't learn it. They didn't learn from anyone else. Like हम तो देखते हैं किसी को कि अम्मी अब्बू क्या करते हैं, किस तरह cover करते हैं. But हज़रत आदम अलैहिस्सलाम, हज़रत बीबी हवा अलैहिस्सलाम, they were the first human beings. तो उन्होंने तो किसी से सीखा नहीं. How did they just
feel like covering themselves up because like you said it's instilled in our nature.
मतलब कुछ चीजें जैसे नाम चीजों के अल्लाह ताला ने उनको सिखाए बट हया नहीं सिखाई. हया तो अल्लाह ने लाइक रूह में बसी हुई है इस तरह के.
And when we talk about hijab is not necessarily the hijab of what the clothing that's on our bare skin, but it's also the hijab of our eyes, the hijab of our manners, and the hijab of our actions. So it's been instilled upon us and it's there.
एक ओवरऑल एटीट्यूड बिहेवियर का नाम है.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
और इवन इंटेंशंस जो हमारी होती हैं
लेकिन एक
उनसे भी.
you were saying something?
नहीं, it's okay, go ahead.
I was just asking पे मतलब एक मुझे एक अजीब बात लगी like we're just talking about it कि हमारी फितरत में है हया लेकिन then there are so many people we see कि वो जो हया हिजाब नहीं करते तो एक अजीब बात नहीं लगती कि क्या वो लोग बेहया हैं जो हिजाब नहीं करते. मतलब एक अजीब सी बात है ना.
I mean, how to prove it?
Exactly, तो अजीब सी बात है.
मतलब ऐसा है कि हमारे अंदर है लेकिन it's not written anywhere that whatever you do it's gonna stay with you forever.
Right.
It's a very fragile thing, it's a very delicate thing. और हमें इसकी हिफाजत करनी है. कुरान में कहा गया कि इसकी आबियारी करनी है, इसकी हिफाजत करनी है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप जो चाहे करते रहें और it doesn't matter, आपकी हया आपके अंदर रहेगी. यही तो टेस्ट है हमारा, वरना तो फिर कोई टेस्ट ही नहीं होता.
अच्छा कभी-कभी ये भी होता है कि कुछ लोग रियलाइज नहीं करते कि उनके अंदर
ये भी होता है.
ऐसा होता है कि ना या ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हमारे एक्सटर्नल इंटरनल फैक्टर्स भी होते हैं नेचर के अंदर है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूं if you don't mind, right? हाँ सही है. तो देयर इज दिस लिटिल गर्ल जो मैं आई थिंक 5-6 years बैक एक छोटी सी बच्ची हमारे घर आई एंड शी सॉ माय मॉम. शी सेज कि आपकी अम्मी ने हेड स्कार्फ क्यों पहना हुआ है और मेरी अम्मी तो नहीं पहनती. तो मैंने बोला क्योंकि कुरान में ना हुक्म है हमको. अच्छा तो इस अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला इज आस्क्ड ऑल मुस्लिम्स टू कवर अवरसेल्व्स मुस्लिम वुमेन. तो आई सेड हाँ ऐसा है. देन व्हाई डजंट माय मॉम. तो ऑब्वियसली आई जस्ट टुक इट द अदर वे. ऐसे ना पता नहीं यू नो दिस एंड दैट. अच्छा फाइन इंशाल्लाह मैं बड़ी होंगी तो मैं करूँगी. But now when I look at her 5-6 years now after that event, she's the same as her mother, as her sisters. Why is that so? Because external factors, environment बहुत matter करता है.
Social pressure,
peer pressure बहुत matter. Media. True. मीडिया कितना मैटर करता है.
इसलिए कहा जाता है ना कि अगर इज्तिमाइयत में काम हो तो उसका एक असर ज्यादा होगा. आपको हेल्प मिलेगी काम करने के अंदर.
Exactly.
बजाय
It pushes you to be better. मतलब जैसे you know Muslims go and pray and in masjid. So it pushes when they see other people. It pushes them to do better and
gives
to do
strength.
good. It goes for all the things.
And many I think that some of my friends they began doing hijab after seeing other hijab friends.
You're right.
And they come and ask me that you have come to a shadi wearing an abaya.
Exactly.
I'm going to do it. Gives them the courage.
Exactly. It's a big question mark for all girls when they have to go to some party or something. Hijab वहाँ पे भी
सही
तो ऐसे कैसे
वो हम लोग जाहिर है ना. Yes.
But then अगर हम बेसिकली समझ जाएं कि अल्लाह ताला का हुक्म है और जैसे फर्स्ट सूरज रिवील हुई और हम कहते हैं कि लाइक नज़रों में हमारी जैसे पाकी है द इंटेंशंस ऑट टू बी प्योर सो दैट वी डोंट नीड टू वेयर दीज. मेनी पीपल क्लेम इट और इवन हमारे
यू नो व्हाट इससे कोई एक फनी सा एक छोटा सा एनेक्डोट है. उस तरह था कि माय डैड वाज टॉकिंग टू मी अबाउट दिस थिंग कि मैंने आके बोला कि भाई सब लोग मुझे बात करते हैं कि हया तो भाई नज़रों में है तो व्हाई डू वी हैव टू कवर आवरसेल्व्स अप. तो माय डैड सेड कि यू कैन जस्ट से आई मीन इट माइट जस्ट बी अ very offensive thing too, but you can see किसी भी औरत हमें बोल सकते हैं कि फिर सही है फिर कुछ भी आप पहन के बैठ जाएं फिर आप दूसरे से बोले आंखें बंद कर लो मत देखो. हया तो नजरों में पता हम ये बात कर सकते हैं but you know the thing is it's not just there in your eyes. भाई आप उसका concept तो समझो. You cover yourself up. You tell the people कि see look at me. I'm telling you I'm a symbol of purity. I'm telling you I'm showing it to you. It's not just there inside me. For example एक और बात थी कि मुझे ट्रैफिक का मसला हो रहा है. ट्रैफिक जाम हुआ है. मैं जाके किसके पास जाऊँगी? Obviously a person who's wearing the traffic police uniform.
Exactly.
The uniform does matter. Uniform does matter. It signifies who you are. So if you say you're pure, show it.
And people claim that you oppress women, but women are not oppressed. अगर हम देखें, you open the Quran and go to Surah Nur, where Allah tells the man first about haya and hijab. He's commanded first. He's told to lower your gaze.
Yes.
Gaze. I'm sorry. And then the Muslim women are told to lower their gaze.
Yes.
And things like that.
And when people talk about this oppressed thing, तो मुझे लगता है कि ऑप्रेस तो वो लोग हैं जो बाहर वेस्ट वाली खवातीन है. इतनी ठंड होती है वहाँ पे लेकिन दे आर फोर्स्ड टू वेयर not to wear the full things.
अच्छा,
And,
like
and then again, you cannot stop anyone else to look at you. You can,
Exactly.
you know, cover yourself up and you can protect yourself, but you cannot point your finger and say to everyone कि
Exactly.
अपनी आँखें नीचे करो,
हाँ.
मुझे क्यों देख
Don't
रहे हो,
look at me
मुझे
like
मत
that.
देखो.
And you know what, Fatih, the way she started off, ke journey from bare skin to clothing, because it was, you know, it's the same thing. We're actually going back to the jahiliyat के दौर में
Exactly,
वापस जा रहे
exactly,
हैं. तो see, जितने भी मर्द हैं, उनके कपड़े यहाँ तक आ गए, full sleeves होंगी, ankles covered हैं, पूरे tie
And
शाई
that's
कोट
the
के साथ.
acceptable formal wear.
हाँ नहीं, वो अब सही है, मर्द इस तरफ आ रहे हैं और औरतें किधर जा रही हैं, the lesser
मजदूर
you
तो
can
वो ही
wear.
ना, they are oppressed,
Exactly,
we aren't.
they're the ones oppressed. You know, they have to
have
be
to.
beautiful every single time, and they have to look इस तरह कपड़े पहनना है, fashion
They
ये
don't
है.
have
It's
the
a
choice,
waste
really.
of your, you know, your finance
Exactly,
and
it's a
waste of your
financial
time
burden.
and, you know,
सही.
your
But that
skin, so
cosmetic.
many things that
I
come, you
agree,
know.
but that doesn't mean that Muslim women don't dress up. I mean,
Yeah.
they do that in separate parties and stuff.
अभी हम प्रोग्राम के एंड में बताएंगे भी आपको कि कौन से वेरियस तरीके हैं
Exactly,
जिनसे हम
so do
scarves
stay
को
with us because हम ये बताएंगे
पहन
different
सकते हैं।
styles हिजाब करने के. अच्छा तो discussing all this, why do you think जो लोग हिजाब करते हैं, why do they do it? Why do they cover themselves?
Well, basically, because it's the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I mean,
Right,
because He's commanded us, और जो भी वो command करते हैं, because He's the supreme being. He's the वो ज़ात है, रब है,
सही.
ठीक है, सब पूरी दुनिया का मालिक है, कायनात का, तो वो जानता है हमारे लिए क्या अच्छा है और क्या बुरा है.
In Surah Mulk it says, क्या वही नहीं जानेगा जिसने पैदा किया?
और
Whenever you have this misunderstanding or whenever you're confused कि अल्लाह ताला ने इतनी मुश्किल चीज़ दे दी, go through that surah.
Yeah.
Wouldn't he know who's created you?
Goosebumps. I mean, when you think of
Exactly,
it.
you know, answers मिल जाते हैं खुद ही खुद
And
ही.
then since we know that Allah Ta'ala is all knowing, and before this concept of hijab was not there and Islam introduced it, so there might have been some reasons why Allah Ta'ala brought it
Exactly.
to us.
हाँ.
So it's a way, it's a channel for dawah and it's a channel to, you know, go towards the path of purity, I would say.
So would you like to tell which surah or which ayah there are?
I think in Surah Ahzab,
Yes.
it came when the revelation for hijab came first. It was to the wives of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was regarding them
wasallam.
when the people were told that if you want to ask something of them, उनसे कुछ मांगना है तो फिर पर्दे के पीछे से मांगो,
सही.
ताकि वो उनकी दिल की पाकीज़गी के लिए भी बेहतर
सही,
है और
दोनों के
आपके
लिए,
भी.
दोनों के लिए,
मतलब आप
सही.
देखिए, और नबी की बीवियों से जब कहा गया तो हमारा दिल क्या उनसे ज़्यादा पाकीज़ा
सही,
है.
exactly, that's a very good point, you're right.
Yeah.
और सूरह निसा में भी है इसके बारे में. अब ये बात आती है कि स्टार्ट कैसे लें, इनिशिएटिव कैसे लें. तो आई थिंक फर्स्ट वी शुड गो अबाउट विद द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ हिजाब, कि क्या फायदा में होंगे और किस तरह स्टार्ट करें.
Oh, as a medical student,
Yeah, of course.
I did
That'll be
that
nice.
survey. Yeah, I made a collection,
Yeah,
so
sure.
I'll open that up. Well, firstly, was that to avoid solar radiation. So you know, a barrier from cold air too. Then it's hygienic. What do you see in you know, like world-class restaurants or small restaurants? What do people do? They wear those plastic caps, or sometimes they wear, you know, those cloth
Right.
caps to protect. So it's like hygienic, so that you know the hair doesn't fall off. So that's a very good
और
benefit.
वैसे भी जनरली वी प्रेफर थिंग विद व्हिच आर कवर्ड, यू नो.
Exactly.
खुली हुई होती है तो हम नहीं चाह रहे, हम चाह रहे थे कि जो चीज
Covered
सेव
हो,
हुई हुई है
safe हो,
वो तो
सही, exactly.
सेम इज द केस विद द गर्ल एंड वुमेन.
And also that hair is more healthy. What it does is that it protects from dust and you know lots of other external things that are very damaging these days. Chemicals in the air, you don't know. It's
Exactly.
like, you know, the world is going
Even अभी जो
bazookas.
डेंगू का हुआ था.
Exactly.
So
the
we were,
world is
everybody
going-
was asked, all the women were asked to, everybody,
Exactly,
women
हाँ.
and men were asked to cover themselves up.
Yeah, they're supposed to wear full sleeves.
Exactly.
I mean, when
News
Allah
में
tells you to do it in the Quran, you
Exactly.
don't.
You know
but
what?
then you get azab and then you
Exactly.
ऐसे नहीं तो वैसे.
Exactly, like Umar Sharif says, he said कि जो वैसे कोई और काम नहीं कर सकते, वो एक मच्छर ने कर दिया. मतलब वैसे अल्लाह ताला के हुक्म ने नहीं माना, लेकिन ये कि दूसरे
And
अंदाज
like
में
we
हमने
can say कि Allah Ta'ala किसी चीज को जरिया बनाते हैं. So you know, if you
To
put it
make
that
you
way,
understand.
सही.
you know, a thing like, you know, we consider, oh, that imbecile mosquito and what can it do, but you know, works wonders.
Exactly.
And I was talking about healthier hair, so you know, it's important to keep the shaft of your hair healthy. You know, ironing and stuff. So it says that, you know, when you're ironing, you should keep the iron away its heat and you know, blow dry from distance. So it's all about the hair shaft. If it's strong, if the root is strong, obviously then hair is stronger. So you know, it's healthier because it's protection. Then if we talk about other external parts, skin and etc., that gets hidden under our hijab, we see that, you know, it makes us ageless. All that women want, you know, it stops that accelerated aging that those external things cause. And you know, you see a lot of people,
हर औरत को यही मसला होता है, बस बड़ी ना लगूं मैं.
So that's very important.
Right.
Then
yes, of course.
a very important point, Islamically, I would say कि it discourages voyeurism, which would be कि it protects from those who don't lower their gaze. Sorry. So that is very important. कि you cannot point, like we discussed earlier, we cannot point our fingers at everyone. And then so important, such an important point these days, you see there's a lot of competition between women, you know. So you have certain companies products and you don't have certain products.
और इस तरह भी होता है फातिमा कि हम देखा जाता है इतने केमिकल्स यूज होते हैं, इतने कंसीलर्स, रिंकल कंसीलर, ये कंसीलर, वो कंसीलर, और एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आप एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास होते हो बिकॉज यू हैव दोस रिएक्शंस ऑफ द स्किन
allergy and things like that. True. And it's putting your health and financial savings at stake.
Financial burden कितना हो जाता है.
hijab is like a natural sunblock.
Exactly. So it's kind of eliminating the competition that's there and keeping it at a modest level, so you don't cross your boundaries, and you know, you're not a burden on someone, because obviously mostly women don't earn these days. So you know, these are all the benefits that we've
scientifically
seen. Exactly. And then another point that I would like to add, since we were talking about cosmetics and other things, so it lowers the ratio of animal testing too. If we are you know, not in favor of it, when market companies, they would go down financially.
हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है, जो बेजरूरियत है, ठीक है, जो मेडिसिन पे जरूरी है आप उस पे टेस्ट कर लो, लाइफ सेविंग ड्रग्स, पर पेटी कॉस्मेटिक्स. हम लोग स्पेशली वेस्ट में, और वेस्ट में हम लोग इतना एनिमल राइट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, एंड देन इतने ज्यादा कॉस्मेटिक्स, वी डोंट नो कि कौन से एनिमल राइट्स.
ये मतलब नहीं कि हिजाबीज आर कलरलेस और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बहुत कुछ हो सकता है.
I would say कि जैसे एक important topic जो कि as youngsters, you know, like young women, is that कि when you know it comes कि एक point आता है, सब शादी की बात होती है and things like that. तो what I've seen naturally, it comes from within, that people who observe hijab, they want people, you know, who look at us and look at our heart, look past that barrier that's there. So you know, they like us for who we are. Like you know, we were discussing.
Yes, exactly.
सिर्फ ऊपर की खूबसूरती के लिए नहीं, but for mind, हमारी education,
to know the person, for the person herself.
You know, there's a hadith also, और ज़्यादातर लोग, मैंने भी जो पढ़ी थी, misinterpret करते हैं. And the hadith goes like कि आप लोग शादी करते हैं खूबसूरती के लिए, ठीक है, आपकी ancestry यानी कि आपके बाप दादा कौन थे, या आपकी माल के लिए, और तुम शादी करो उसके दीन के लिए. we take that कि we take for खूबसूरती के लिए भी शादी कर लेते, but it is हुज़ूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम says कि इस चीज के लिए इसके लिए करते हैं, but आप उसका दीन देखो, because if you have the true Islam, you have everything.
सही. So when you observe hijab, you know the person for the person. जो इंसान है उसके अंदर को देखो ना, बाहर से ज़ाहिरी क्या पहना हुआ है, पहनी हुई है, कैसे रखा है अपने आप को. So that comes later on.
And well, everybody knows कि superficial जो beauty होती है, it's not long lasting.
Exactly, not long
lasting. It wears off, you know, at one point. It's not there. So how can you be with a person जिसकी, you know, at one point you like the face, and then when you know that person does not have the same features, or you know, superficially that person is not the same anymore, and
turn down your hopes.
You're like,
हो जाए. ये अगर आप देखें डिवोर्स रेट्स जिन कंट्रीज में अगर हम देखा जाए कितनी हाई हैं, बिकॉज वो खाली देख के अबाउट लाइक लव एट फर्स्ट साइट सॉर्ट ऑफ की शादियां हो रही होती हैं,
and then they get bored.
हाँ, they get bored. You're not the same person as you used to be. इस तरह का नहीं होता. मतलब अगर आप देखें, पूरी एक आपकी पर्सनालिटी होती है, और you should marry a person कि आप देखो कि वो आपकी अगली जनरेशन की कैसी अपब्रिंगिंग कर सकती है.
You should marry a person, not plastic.
नहीं, और at the end of the day, men like to marry a girl who is covered and who has haya in her.
और I think सोसाइटी में भी एक अच्छाई क्रिएट होती है.
Possessive nature, you know, that Allah Ta'ala has put in men. They're possessive of their
pinky girls,
them to be covered, you know. So why shouldn't we think of it this way? Our beauty should be for men who who are halal upon
हाँ,
us, rather than for everyone who just gaze at us with dirty looks and
हाँ, इसी पे ना एक सवाल पूछा था कि आपने अपनी बीवी को क्यों, एक आदमी ने दूसरे आदमी से पूछा, आपने अपनी बीवी को क्यों पूरा कवर करके रखा हुआ है? तो कहता है अच्छा ये बताओ, अगर तुम्हारी बीवी जो है बहुत खूबसूरत हो तो तुम क्या चाहोगे? तो कि सब उसे देखें? तो कहते हैं नहीं, मैं चाहूँगा छुपा के रखूँ ना, हर एक ना देखे उसे। तो कहते हैं अच्छा अगर तुम्हारी बीवी बदसूरत होती then what would you do? फिर तो मैं चाहता कि नहीं कोई ना देखे। तो see it's like when you like something, when you own something, you want it to be hidden, you possessive like she said।
ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम वेट करें उस टाइम का कि when we will realize what are the advantages and benefits of taking hijab, उसके बाद हम लेना करना स्टार्ट करेंगे। ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स ऐसे हैं we have to do them just for the sake of doing, just we have to take them as a order कि अल्लाह ने कहा है तो बस करना है, हम समझ आए या ना समझ आए। तो ये बात
ऑटोमेटिकली हिकमत भी होती है,
हिकमत होगी, आपको समझ नहीं
आ जाते हैं उसके बेनिफिट्स।
जैसे कि अल्लाह की तरफ राग़िब होते हैं तो अल्लाह ताला खुद ही हिदायत देते हैं और रास्ते खोलते हैं, बिकॉज यू आर विलिंग टू डू दैट। एंड आई वुड से कि अब आजकल के ज़माने में विद एक्सेसरीज एंड ऑल द स्टफ, you can do a lot, externally with the hijab too. You can be,
and we'll be discussing this too.
Yeah, we'll be discussing. But that's the beginning. Ultimate hijab is simplicity.
So let's start with this. Let's start with this. कि अब हम जो लोग नहीं करते वो कैसे start करें? Action की बात करते हैं।
I think सबसे पहले you should have that intention that you're going for Allah Taala. ठीक है, फिर I just heard this and I loved it so much. कि what's the biggest रहमत अल्लाह ताला की क्या होती है? It's not like good food, good stuff. It is that you stop worrying about people. ये एक रहमत है कि आप लोगों की परवाह ना करो।
बिल्कुल।
So and this is very difficult,
बहुत
कि लोगों की आप
धीरे धीरे करो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम इंडिया और पाकिस्तान और इस टाइप की एशियन कंट्रीज में हम यूजुअली शलवार कमीज दुपट्टा पहन रहे होते हैं, तो अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो आप कैजुअली ऑन एंड ऑफ ऐसे लूज करके दुपट्टा पहन लो,
फिर कभी कभी आपने स्कार्फ ले लिया,
कभी लिया, फिर कभी आप बिल्कुल प्रॉपर स्कार्फ और या टाइट करके पिन करके दुपट्टा प्रॉपर अच्छा नीट करके सिर्फ बाजारों में जा रहे हो या कोई पब्लिक प्लेसेस में जाके करो, पार्टीज में नहीं करो। फिर आप डिसाइड करो कि आप लूज दुपट्टा खाली शादियों में भी पहनोगे, पार्टीज में भी पहनोगे, फिर आप एक स्कार्फ पे आ जाओ, शादियों में भी आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप, बिकॉज़ हर एक
The actual thing is if you want to do it, start it today. आज से ही बस आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करना शुरू कर दो, don't be slow, बस आज से करना है।
होता है कि आप एक पैर you step forward, Allah will come and hold you.
He rushes and
He won't leave you alone.
towards you.
इस तरह धीरे धीरे करके then you think of having an outer gown.
So Sana, I think it will be very good if you just show a demo how to wear different types of hijab.
I'll do that. I mean, like I'm going to show very simple, the basic ones.
Yes, of course.
Of course,
she's very expert in it.
मैं इस बात पे ज़रा ज़्यादा ज़ोर देना चाहूँगी कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम सालों इसका इंतज़ार करें और स्टेप बाय स्टेप अगर हम ले रहे हैं तो वी शुड बी स्टेडफास्ट अपॉन इट और हम उसको जारी रखें और
इस्तिकामत के साथ
अभी लाइक फ्रॉम नाउ व्हाई थिंक अबाउट अदर पीपल। आई नो कि ऐसा होता है, ऑपरेशन होता है फैमिली की तरफ से, किसी की फैमिली बैकग्राउंड ऐसा नहीं होता, they don't like के साथ से हो तो, but I've seen कि जैसे schools में, colleges में there are a lot of girls I found around me कि जब उन्होंने इनिशिएटिव लिया अल्लाह ताला ने उनको भी हिदायत दी, उनके माँ बाप को भी हिदायत दी, and they accepted that because there was nothing wrong with it.
And there's this it's a वाक़या कि एक लड़की जो है she didn't used to cover herself, लेकिन एक दफ़ा कभी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ वो किसी दर्स में गई, वहाँ पर जो है उसने ऐसे ज़ाहिर है अच्छा दर्स था, उसको समझाया, समझ आई उसको, तो वहाँ बैठे बैठे कहती नहीं आज से मैंने करना है इंशाल्लाह। तो कहती उनके सारी दोस्त से कहने लगी कि नहीं अभी थोड़ा रुक जाओ, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, लेकिन शी वाज वेरी persistent about it. She said नहीं मुझे अभी समझ आ गई है and I do not want to waste any more time in my life, मुझे अभी से करना है। और जब उसने सब उसके दोस्तों ने देखा कि नहीं she is very willing to do it, तो उसको अभी अबाया ला के दिया, अभी स्कार्फ ला के दिया, she wore it, मस्जिद से बाहर निकली, car accident, she died on the spot.
And
Allah just do it right now, no procrastination. Exactly, niyat, no procrastination, do it right now.
It's for the hereafter
also. तो आपको जल्दी करना चाहिए कि लास्ट सांस कब हो,
exactly, you never know कि शादी के बाद यार अभी हमें अगली सांस का नहीं पता, we're talking about exactly लंबी प्लान है।
But I think now we should move towards our demo section where we'll be like funkicize the entire hijab thing. And
the fun time starts now.
Yeah, but in a simple way.
Hijab with fun.
Okay.
और अब हम अपनी गेस्ट को बुलाना चाहेंगे माहा, may Allah be pleased with her, जिसने
Inshallah.
volunteer किया है to
Model.
as a model to
For the hijab.
for the hijab. अभी you know she's very new to it, तो वो एकदम से एक scarf proper लेना नहीं चाह रही and she has to go to a party. So what we decided is that कि उसको दुपट्टे को ही proper hijab
सही.
style में करेंगे, so that the dupatta stays there, hijab भी हो and she's comfortable with it, she looks good in it. So we have like a cap, you can find these fancy caps कोई भी market में अगर नहीं मिलती आपकी country में online आजकल बहुत reasonable prices में मिल
I like
अच्छा,
this
different
funky,
countries
you know,
में
touch. You know.
So she can
Yeah,
just you can just
sparkly.
put it like this because it's a georgette dupatta, chiffon actually mix it. So I mean I think she'll be able to do better like this if
You can
अच्छा
help
ये
her.
कलर्स हैं समर्स के लिए बड़ा अच्छा है,
हाँ,
कूल है
बहुत
ना?
I think it
cool
looks
लगेगा।
very
बहुत
cool,
youthful
green and
look है
sea
ना
green.
इसका, बहुत youthfully सा
it's
लगता है।
you can and then you can have these fancy आप brooches इतना रखते हो, you can have like a matching
You have a
brooch.
great collection.
If you can
Sana,
show them on the
mashallah.
camera.
Yeah, I think you can show them.
Oh,
Everybody.
it's
You
a soft
have-
collection. Beautiful.
Wow, mashallah. I hope you
It's so
can
good.
capture that.
If you can
And you
hold
know,
this
these
for me,
are
please.
these colorful pins, you know,
Yes.
that you can use with every kind of.
Show them.
Yeah.
It's like a color wheel.
अच्छा हम ये दिखा रहे हैं बड़ा कलरफुल से
Because,
इसको इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए, लेकिन एक बात जो हमेशा याद रखें हम कि इट शुड सर्व द पर्पस.
Exactly.
We should not
But अभी
forget that.
तभी she mentioned the fact कि अभी इसने start लिया है तो she's
Start
not
लिया,
comfortable
हाँ, ठीक
कि
है.
अब ये मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
लेकिन
तो
मुझे
उसके-
सेंस है एक
वो
हिजाब
याद है.
लेने की,
You're
वो
right.
वहाँ
A
बिल्कुल
sense
रहनी
रहना
चाहिए.
चाहिए इसके अंदर.
See, because it's not fixing, you can take these pins.
हाँ,
Yeah,
हाँ.
the cap. So it won't
Fix हो जाएगा.
And you know, here obviously you have the matching color, but you know, different contrast.
You can use a
maybe
contrast
you
as
know,
well.
It looks like a small little bubble.
हाँ, हाँ.
in your head.
And there's this friend of mine I know, वो पता है क्या करती है, हर कपड़े के साथ एक शिफॉन का पीस ले लेती है, छोटा सा, इतना सा, और उस पे कोई लेस लगवा ली, कोई भी और
Pico
yeah,
or
exactly, कोई
हाँ.
different pico करवा के, she just wears it as a headscarf and then पूरा नीचे जो भी whatever she wants to wear, दुपट्टा पहन लिया फैलाकर, or whatever if she wears abaya, तो उस हर कपड़े के साथ she has different colors. So you know you don't have to worry कि it doesn't suit my dress, so you can.
और ये
Nice,
बात
nice,
होती है कि
you
आपकी
know?
मतलब इंटेंशन हो तो यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑन दोज लाइंस ऑटोमेटिकली.
intentional.
अब हर
True.
चीज अपनी
सब
आपकी
काम
वैसे
हो
वैसे
जाता है,
हो
आप
जाता है.
आगे
सही.
बढ़े, आप कोशिश करें.
See,
अल्लाह ताला.
Oh my, look at her. She
Oh,
looks good. I
wow.
like this style.
You know, with a touch of no animal tested lip gloss, I'm sure, you know, I think the look is complete. You don't
Yes,
need
of
any
course.
cosmetics or
And I'm sure she looks
Exactly.
better than many of the other people.
नो वरीज फॉर हेयर स्टाइल एनीथिंग.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही. चलो, और
Let's
दूसरा
go
side
for
you have other styles
Yes.
too.
Oh, I'm loving the brooch, you know.
Me too. Look at it. It's beautiful.
Maha has moved one step forward. उसने
Okay.
decide किया कि वो proper scarf पहनेगी.
So what's she wearing inside?
It's like a proper cap that you wear inside,
Can
so it
we
covers.
show it to our, you know, viewers?
Yeah, you can see them. It's coming till here और पीछे से neck
She
भी
looks
इसका
like Little
cover
Red Riding
होता है.
Hood.
She can have a little.
अच्छा सना, इज इट नॉट हॉट?
You
the
feeling?
fabric?
Is it, no, the fabric is not hard.
Okay, that's
Okay, so
good.
she can just wear her one of these again, these scarves loosely as well.
हाँ.
Because under if it's like a tight fit, she can just wear loose and देखिए अंदर से कुछ show भी नहीं होगा because it's covered
like it.
basically. ठीक है ना? She has a red cap, so we can use a red pin right over here. Again, we can because of the fabric.
अच्छा फेस कट का भी बड़ा.
हाँ,
इसमें
face cut के हिसाब से
It's
लगा.
Matter
really
करता है.
weird, you know, showing different styles so that, you know.
And आप लोग जो भी खरीदे ना, वो अपने face cut के हिसाब से
हिसाब
caps
से.
लें.
You know,
अपने
some
face cut के
people
हिसाब
do.
से.
You can use like some. One point of time, I used to use earrings.
अच्छा.
As if you have I
like
lost
the
my
idea.
earrings.
Lost.
So you can actually pin it up like this.
हाँ हाँ.
अंदर करके you can
वेरी क्रिएटिव सना.
Seriously.
see you can have a
I
loose
like this
look.
style. अच्छा, इससे अगर हम
you know,
नकाब करना चाहें तो.
You can do it, but with a little bit of neatness
हाँ हाँ, of course.
to it. You can just,
Double करके ना, ताकि
double
वो
करके
cover.
इस तरह करके
हाँ,
you
हाँ,
can
neat
do
is good.
that.
That's
So this
very
is
nice
one way that you can
style.
do. Okay,
Okay.
and another way.
Why don't you just show it? एक तरह से pin
Yes.
करके जरा से दिखा दो ताकि थोड़ा ना idea हो जाए.
ठीक है.
Double
Well,
कर दो.
because I want her to be covered like this. अगर आप यूं करके इसको double करते हुए, you have to have a bigger scarf though, but I think you can manage. I don't know how it's looking because
while
this
we-
scarf is not supposed to be meant for niqab. There's supposed to be longer scarves. for
हाँ
that.
हाँ. वो तो you're just showing the style. वो whoever wants to just wear hijab वो इसी इतना ही लेंथ ले ले, जिसको नकाब भी करना है वो थोड़ा बड़ा लेंथ ले ले, बड़ी लेंथ ले
And
ले.
we can-
while we're at it, I would like to add something.
हाँ.
There's this trend of people, you know, women these
cover.
days making वो बड़े बड़े जूड़ा बना के
हाँ, this is a very important point. Thank
camel
you,
hump
Fatih.
hijab.
Thank you,
Yeah,
So
Fatih.
she can do that.
That
with this.
is not allowed
Allowed.
because we are supposed to flaunt our beauty and not
And look
you know,
at her.
So we can
Oh,
look fresh.
mashallah, mashallah.
Okay, so that's all about it. Okay, now I'm going to move on to some hijab with niqabs.
Okay, okay.
The like the niqab that women want to do. So can I have one of those black ones, please, Kashaf?
Yeah, sure.
Now what we can do is, basically, if you want to do a niqab, one way you can just simply wear it like I am wearing, or like Mariam, and you can just pin it up with a brooch or something. Another way is that, now this is a light material, let me see, but it's not showing. You can double it, इस तरह करके, ठीक है? Then
I prefer doubling it because
yeah, and then
doubt
if you
भी
can
सही रहता है,
just
you're
put it
comfortable.
down, it's not your hair is not showing because of the cap. Then you put it ऐसे loosely इस तरह. Can you hold it for me यहाँ से? Yeah. If you, I used to wear niqab like this once upon a time.
Okay.
So you can do it by yourself. It doesn't.
So how did you come up with this
I think
idea?
it would add really
Because
nice
I
volume.
think, I think I wanted to look neat.
So this was your own idea.
Yes,
Oh,
it
that's
was.
nice.
I wanted to look neat, but I didn't know how to do it. So I just.
So you
did
just
it.
came up with your own.
Yeah.
Nice.
Actually, one day at the university, what happened was that I lost my pins and I didn't know how to do my niqab. They somehow fell in the bathroom. So I actually tied my niqab like this.
How
behind.
did you without any pins?
I didn't want to tie it in front of my, above my scarf, so I did it inside.
Okay,
Actually.
that's creative.
Yeah.
So it's like
Didn't
किसी
want
को
to
problems
mention
ही हो रही है, साथ में problems.
how clumsy I am losing my pins.
I think it just happens with everybody.
It's for all you clumsy ones out there.
ठीक है? Okay, then we
Oh
can
no no,
take
इसको
that.
थोड़ा सा set. खैर वो तो
these
चलो
are
set
tight
कर
करना
लेंगे.
It needs to be set. It will be done right. Can we have this away? Okay. So now what you do? Then you can take a
The other end
single-
of the dupatta.
Yeah, you can take the other end of the
Okay.
dupatta, and you can put it on.
Oh, it becomes like
that's
the
really
what's that?
nice.
Irani makna? Irani makna?
You
Surani
you can
makna.
have a black cap as well, but
हाँ, any color cap.
But this it looks,
this looks nice.
very elegant.
I know.
mashallah.
Yeah, you can
It is a very decent look, royal.
and then
kind
you
of.
can put in your pins because you don't want it flying.
हाँ हाँ. जहाँ से आपको comfortable feel करना वहाँ भी लगा लो.
Yeah,
sides
you
पे.
can do that here. If you want, you can leave
And
it.
for those petite girls out there, I think adding volume with the scarf, I think this would really help. And
Yeah.
not for chubby ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
She can
really nice.
lose, and she can even you can pin it up here if you want to.
हाँ.
Something
right.
like that.
But I think this is kind of like messy, and but it looks really
हाँ.
elegant. I
Elegant
love
in a
it.
messy way.
It's not messy. It depends on the material you wear. It's
Elegantly messy.
okay. So that's how
Yeah,
about
Yes,
it.
that's
Thank you.
nice.
That's
I like
really
it. Thank you
nice.
so much.
Thank
Sana.
you.
Thank you so much.
And thank you, Maha.
फिर रही है हवस की बला बेनकाब, ओढ़ ले हर मुसलमान बेटी जा, फिर रही है